Every billion-dollar brand starts with a story. Not a logo, not a website, not even a product, a story. Nike isn't really selling shoes. Apple isn't really selling phones. And the biggest Gen Z brands aren't selling hoodies. They're selling identity.
So today, I wanted to test something. What if I asked AI to create an entirely new clothing brand from scratch and then turn that idea into a full cinematic commercial?
Not just a logo, not just some AI images, an actual brand, an actual message, an actual advertisement. And to do that, I'm using a tool called Topview AI.
And stay till the end because I don't want you to miss out on what this tool actually does. I promise you by the end of this video, you will know how to create any commercial ad for your brand.
The problem with most AI video creation is surprisingly simple. People start with prompts. They type a few sentences, hit generate, and hope for the best.
But that's not how big brands create advertisements. Before a commercial is ever filmed, there's a strategy, story, mood boards, storyboards, and creative direction. And that's exactly what interested me about Topview Canvas. Instead of generating videos blindly, it lets you build the storyboard first. Almost like Figma, but for AI video creation. So let's see if this actually works.
So I opened Topview Canvas and gave the AI agent a simple task. Create a clothing brand that Gen Z would genuinely care about. One thing I immediately liked is that the agent doesn't just generate random visuals. It starts helping you think. It suggested visual styles, characters, environments, brand themes, objects, and even emotional directions for the campaign. After a few iterations, we landed on something interesting: Void, built for the unfinished.
The idea is simple. Most young people feel pressured to have everything figured out: their career, their future, their purpose. But the truth is, most people are still figuring it out. And that's exactly what the brand represents. Not perfection, progress. Now hold up and don't skip because this is where things got really interesting. Instead of jumping straight into video generation, I started building the commercial visually.
The AI generated character concepts, creative environments, urban locations, mood shots, campaign imagery. And because everything sits on an infinite canvas, I could move things around freely, group ideas together, test different directions, and rearrange scenes.
It genuinely feels more like working inside a creative studio than a traditional AI tool. And this is probably the biggest difference. Instead of hoping AI understands your vision, you're showing it your vision first.
Next came the actual story. The commercial starts with pressure. Young people feeling lost, questioning themselves, wondering if they're behind. Then the energy shifts. We start seeing creators, athletes, artists, people building things despite not having all the answers. And eventually, the message becomes clear. You don't need to be finished to become something extraordinary. Using GPT-Image 2 inside Topview Canvas, I generated storyboard frames for every scene.
And for the first time, I could actually see the entire commercial before spending credits generating in video. That's a huge advantage because making changes at the storyboard stage is much easier than fixing an entire video later.
Once the storyboard felt right, it was time for the final test: generating the commercial itself. With one click, Topview Canvas started turning the storyboard into video using Seedance 2.0. And because every scene had already been planned visually, the results felt significantly more consistent than the usual prompt-only workflow. The characters stayed aligned, the mood stayed aligned, the story stayed aligned, everything felt intentional. Now watch this commercial and tell me what you think.
They said by now you should know exactly who you are. But nobody talks about the confusion, the doubt, the days you feel completely lost. Because maybe the people changing the world aren't the ones who had all the answers. Maybe they're the ones willing to keep moving without them. You don't need to be finished to become something extraordinary.
What impressed me most wasn't the video generation. It was the planning, and being able to build the story first made the entire process feel more controlled and much more creative. If you're creating AI videos, commercials, short films, product ads, or social content for any business, I genuinely think storyboard-first creation makes a lot more sense than blindly prompting. And this tool makes it super easy to create any commercial ad. If you want to try it yourself, check out Topview Canvas using the link in the description. Start with the storyboard, then let the AI bring it to life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below so I can continue making videos like this. See you in the next one.